Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing my experience and the key lessons I learned from my 3-month remote design internship. I started this internship from Dubai, but eventually continued it remotely from India. There were some unique challenges, but also plenty of learning moments that I think will be helpful for anyone doing or thinking about the remote design internship. So let's get started. Back when I was at university, I used to arrive early, head straight to the library and start working on design projects before classes began. This was my time to dive deep into creative work, and it built a strong sense of discipline. That habit stayed with me during my internships, especially when I worked remotely. I learned that setting aside focus time for design is key, whether it's early morning in the library or quiet hours at home. Working remotely means you need to be a master of communications. Since I wasn't physically with my team, I had to stay sharp with updates, messaging, and feedback loops. I realized that proactive communication is just as important as the design work itself. It's all about keeping the team aligned. There was a point when I traveled to Dubai for on site work, but with so much travel and commitments, I didn't get to stay long. It reminded me that sometimes things don't go as planned, and you have to adapt. I ended up continuing the internship remotely, which taught me the importance of flexibility, whether in design or life. And that's a wrap of my 3-month remote design internship experience. It's been a journey filled with discipline, focus, and learning how to adapt to new environments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below, especially if you have worked remotely before. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.